In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact the Quotex support if you need help with your account, withdrawals, verification, or any technical issues. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside your dashboard, I want you to scroll down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a help button or kind of like a small chat icon. I want you to click on it. This will forward you to the help section. You can browse common questions, and if your issue isn't listed in the FAQs, go ahead and click the Contact Customer Support. Now you need to select the subject that meets your problem. For example, is it about verification, about deposit or withdrawal, or if that's other issue, click the third option and describe your situation. For example, we have it here. And if you have like a screenshot of that specific problem, you can attach it and click the send request so that the customer support will carefully review your situation and provide details on how to potentially fix it. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can contact the Quotex support quickly and easily. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.